Dear students, Namaste. Today, here we have discussed the new topic. Name of the topic is Anticonvulsants. Myself, Mr. Vijit Ankush Kachre, working as a lecturer in KCD's Krishna College of Pharmacy, Karad. What do you mean by convulsions? What are the different drugs which is used as anticonvulsants? This is all brief about this chapter we will discuss in next slides. So these are the learning outcomes. Student or learner will be able to define and classify anticonvulsant drugs, draw the structures, different drugs classified into anticonvulsant drugs, recall the properties, uses and brand names, and understand the storage conditions. These are the four important learning outcomes of this anticonvulsant. So first one, what do we mean by epilepsy? So epilepsy means the paroxysmal self-sustaining and self-limiting cerebral dysarrhythmia. What happened actually in epilepsy? The firing of neurons is collapsed and they abnormally increase the firing. Normal activity of neuron is collapsed. There is a sudden self-sustaining and self-limiting cerebral dysarrhythmia happen, and due to this reason patient or the person which is suffering from epilepsy can't control the body movements, can't control their peripheral limb movements. So what are the different causes and how they will involve in this? So epilepsy generally occurred from the seizures, and here the seizures means the sudden occasional rapid electrical discharge of the nerves or neurons. Due to this, epilepsy occurred, and epilepsy is nothing but the part of the seizures. And then convulsion state is occurs. What happen in convulsion? There is a imbalance between the GABA chemicals which is present in our brain. Due to this reason, the patient is suffering from epilepsy. Okay, so epilepsy is nothing but the group of seizures, and convulsions is nothing but the group of epilepsy. Very simple terminologies. Now, what are the actions of GABA? GABA means gamma amino butyric acid. See, this is the receptor. In that pink color is the receptor. Into that receptor, after binding this yellow and pink color circles, yellow indicates the drug, pink color is the GABA. After binding these two chemicals to the specific receptor, that is the GABA A receptor, there is a lifetime opening of the channel chlorides and the entry of chloride ions from the extracellular to the intracellular, and the patient is suffering from this sleep or to reduce their epilepsy. Now, another diagram of this GABA receptor. This is the GABA, this is the drug site, and here is the channel which is open due to this binding of drugs. Okay. Now, what do we mean by anticonvulsant drugs, or what are the drugs which is used for anticonvulsants? The drugs or the agents which prevent or diminish the severity of convulsions, seizure is known as anticonvulsant drugs. The drugs which are used in the treatment of convulsion or epilepsy or seizures is known as anticonvulsants. It is also called as anti-epilepsy. Okay. First class is the barbiturate drugs, phenobarbital, meflobarbital. Second one is the halitoin derivatives, phenytoin, methatoin, ethatoin. Number 3 is succinimides, ethosuxinamide, phenasuximide. Fourth one is oxazolidine 4,2,4-diones. Example is trimethadione, paramethadione. Fifth one is the glutaramides. Example is aminoglutamides. Next class is aryl urils or acyl urils. Then benzodiazepam derivatives, dibenzapam derivatives, hexahydropyridine derivatives, carboxylic acid derivatives. These are the different classes of this anticonvulsant drugs. I hope you all understand this. In exam, questions asked like define and classify anticonvulsants or anti-epileptic drugs. This is the example. This is the best answer you can write in your notebook also, which is helpful for your exam preparation. Now the first drug is phenytoin, and here is the structure of phenytoin. Just number first and then identify substitutes and write down the chemical name. Here is the chemical name 5. If you see the position number 5 containing 2 phenyl rings, that were diphenyl. Imidazolidine, see the ring is imidazolidine, but there is a presence of oxygen at position number 2 and 4. That's why 2,4-dione. Very simple and easy structure of phenytoin. Now what are the properties, uses, preparations and the brand names of these phenytoin drugs? Pause this video and write in your notebook also. Now the next drug is ethosuxinamide, and here is the structure of ethosuxinamide. According to IUPAC name, you number that structure first and then identify the substitutes, and according to that you write down the chemical name. At number position 3, there is the presence of ethyl and methyl. Then there is a 5-membered ring containing pyrrolidine, and number 2 and number 5 containing oxygen. That's why 2,4-dione. Name is ethosuxinamide. What are the properties, uses, preparation and the brand names of this drug? I hope you write in your notebook also. Then next drug is carbamazepine. Here is the properties, uses, preparation and the brand names. Then what are the storage conditions of these all anticonvulsant drugs? It is stored in well closed, tightly closed lice resistance container, or you can write also store in a well tightly closed container and protected from light. I hope you all understand this very easy concept. So thank you for patience listening. Thank you so much.